If you love freedom, adventure, and the reliability of Japanese engineering, then today's video is going to blow your mind. Welcome back to Autoscope, and in this episode we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 model Toyota Motorhome, a next-generation RV that blends comfort, innovation, and the legendary durability of Toyota into one incredible machine. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is not just an upgrade. It's a complete evolution. Built on a reinforced heavy-duty chassis derived from Toyota's global commercial vehicle platform, this motorhome is designed to handle long cross-country road trips, mountain highways, desert heat, and everything in between. From the first look, you can tell Toyota wanted this RV to stand out. The front fascia carries a bold grille with sleek LED matrix headlights, sharp daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper that gives it a premium, modern presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 model is expected to offer a powerful yet efficient engine lineup. A 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain delivers smooth acceleration with impressive fuel efficiency for a vehicle in this category. Toyota's advanced hybrid system not only reduces emissions but also provides strong torque for highway cruising and hill climbing. Paired with a refined automatic transmission, the driving experience feels more like a large SUV than a traditional RV. There's also an available turbo diesel option in select markets for those who need extra torque and extended range. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Toyota has completely redesigned the interior for 2026. Premium soft-touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and high-quality finishes surround you. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large floating infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota's latest multimedia system responds quickly and includes built-in navigation tailored specifically for RV routes. Moving into the living area, space optimization is truly impressive. The slide-out sections expand the interior width, creating a spacious lounge area with a comfortable sofa that converts into a bed. There's a smart dining table setup, overhead storage cabinets, and panoramic windows that let in natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with a compact induction cooktop, microwave, deep sink, and a large refrigerator. Soft close drawers and hidden compartments maximize storage while maintaining a clean, modern look. The sleeping arrangements are designed for families and couples alike. A master sleeping area at the rear features a queen-size bed with memory foam cushioning, reading lights, USB ports, and privacy curtains. An overhead bunk above the driver's cabin provides additional sleeping space, making this motorhome perfect for road trips with kids. The bathroom setup is equally impressive. Toyota has integrated a compact yet functional wet bath system with a shower, cassette toilet, foldable sink, and smart ventilation. Water management has been improved with larger freshwater and gray water tanks, allowing for extended off-grid adventures. Speaking of off-grid capability, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome takes sustainability seriously. A roof-mounted solar panel system charges the onboard lithium battery pack, powering interior appliances and lighting without relying heavily on external hookups. The energy management system is accessible through a touchscreen panel, letting you monitor battery levels, water tanks, and climate control in real time. Safety is where Toyota truly shines. The 2026 motorhome comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Despite its size, parking and maneuvering feel surprisingly manageable thanks to advanced driver assistance technologies. Ride comfort has also been significantly improved. Enhanced suspension tuning, improved sound insulation, and upgraded shock absorbers reduce road noise and vibrations. Whether you're cruising down highways or navigating uneven terrain, the ride remains smooth and stable. Exterior storage compartments are thoughtfully designed for camping gear, tools, and travel essentials. There's even an optional rear-mounted rack for bikes or additional cargo. An extendable electric awning provides shade when parked, transforming the outdoor area into a relaxing campsite setup in seconds. Technology integration is another strong point. The 2026 model features a mobile app that allows you to control interior lighting, climate settings, and security features remotely. You can even check vehicle diagnostics directly from your smartphone. Toyota has clearly aimed to create a smart motorhome for the modern traveler. In terms of design philosophy, this motorhome reflects Toyota's global reputation for reliability and innovation. For decades, Toyota has built vehicles known for longevity, and now that same DNA is infused into a fully capable RV platform. It's not just about luxury, it's about dependable performance mile after mile. Pricing is expected to be competitive within the premium motorhome segment, offering strong value considering the technology, hybrid efficiency, and build quality included. While official pricing may vary by region, industry experts anticipate this model to attract both seasoned RV enthusiasts and first-time buyers looking for a trusted brand name. The 2026 Toyota motorhome is more than just transportation. It's freedom on wheels. It's the ability to wake up next to a mountain range, park beside a quiet beach, or explore new cities without ever leaving the comfort of your own space. Toyota has successfully combined practicality, innovation, and adventure into one impressive package. So what do you think about this all-new 2026 Toyota motorhome? Would you take it on a cross-country journey? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Autoscope for more upcoming reviews of the latest cars, trucks, and motorhomes from around the world. Stay tuned, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next video.